With remote work becoming increasingly prevalent, the traditional notion of a conventional office job has significantly transformed. Now more than ever, individuals are exploring avenues to transform their passions and hobbies into profitable sources of income while enjoying the comforts of home. In this video, we delve into the exciting realm of turning personal interests into profitable ventures, aiming to provide you with actionable strategies to earn $1,000 a week without stepping outside your door. Imagine waking up each day not to the constant buzz of an alarm clock, but to the anticipation of engaging in work that fulfills you and fills your pockets. Whether you're an aspiring writer, a creative artist, a tech-savvy enthusiast, or simply someone with a knack for organization, many opportunities are waiting to be explored. The range of possibilities extends from freelance writing and graphic design to e-commerce endeavors and online tutoring, mirroring the diversity of individual interests. Join us as we embark on a journey to uncover 10 dynamic pathways that enable you to monetize your hobbies and passions, paving the way for a fulfilling and financially rewarding work-from-home lifestyle. Freelance writing and content creation. In the era of digital dominance where content holds unparalleled importance, freelance writing has surfaced as a profitable path for those gifted in the art of expression. Whether you possess a penchant for storytelling, a flair for persuasion, or an expertise in a particular niche, the demand for quality content is ever present across various industries. Businesses and publications are consistently searching for skilled writers who can effectively convey their message, whether through blog posts, articles, website copy, or marketing materials. Platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr serve as bustling marketplaces connecting writers with clients seeking their services. By showcasing your portfolio, honing your writing skills, and effectively marketing your expertise, you can attract high-paying clients and build a sustainable income stream from the comfort of your home office. Moreover, with the rise of content marketing, businesses are increasingly investing in informative and engaging content to connect with their target audience. This presents freelance writers with a myriad of opportunities to specialize in niches such as technology, health, finance, travel, and more, catering to the diverse needs of clients worldwide. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into the world of freelance writing, exploring strategies for success, tips for maximizing earnings, and resources to help you kickstart your freelance writing career and achieve your goal of earning $1,000 a week from home. Graphic design and creative services. In today's visually driven digital landscape, the demand for captivating graphics and creative visual content has never been higher. Once confined to traditional advertising agencies and design studios, graphic design has become accessible to freelancers and remote workers worldwide. Whether you're proficient in Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, or Canva, your design skills can be leveraged to create a significant income while enjoying the comforts of your own home. Businesses, entrepreneurs, and content creators all depend on visually captivating graphics to express their brand identity, effectively convey their message, and captivate their intended audience. From logo design and branding materials to social media graphics and web design, the opportunities for graphic designers are boundless. Platforms like 99 Designs, Design Crowd, and Dribbble provide avenues for graphic designers to showcase their portfolios, connect with clients, and secure lucrative projects. By cultivating a strong portfolio, staying updated on design trends, and delivering high-quality work consistently, graphic designers can command premium rates and build a thriving freelance business. In the upcoming segments, we'll delve deeper into the world of graphic design, exploring essential tools and resources, effective marketing strategies, and actionable tips to help you achieve your goal of earning $1,000 a week from home through your creative prowess. Virtual assistants and administrative support as companies increasingly adopt remote work models. The demand for virtual assistants, VAs, and remote administrative support professionals has surged. Virtual assistants offer extensive administrative support and technical and creative services to entrepreneurs, small businesses, and executives, allowing them to focus on core tasks while delegating routine or time-consuming responsibilities. Virtual assistants handle diverse tasks such as email management, calendar scheduling, data entry, customer support, and social media management. With the right skills and organization, becoming a virtual assistant presents an excellent opportunity to earn a substantial income from home. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Zirtual offer avenues for virtual assistants to connect with clients seeking their services. You can attract clients and build long-term working relationships by showcasing your skills, professionalism, and attention to detail. To excel as a virtual assistant, one must possess strong communication skills, proficiency in administrative tools and software, and the ability to multitask effectively. Maintaining a proactive approach, delivering exceptional service, and continuously refining your skills are critical to maximizing your earning potential as a virtual assistant. In the upcoming sections, we'll delve into comprehensive strategies, tools, and advice to assist you in flourishing as a virtual assistant and achieve your goal of earning $1,000 a week from the comfort of your home. V. Online tutoring and education services. The digital transformation has redefined the educational terrain, creating unparalleled opportunities for individuals to impart their knowledge and expertise as online tutors. Whether you're proficient in academic subjects, specialized skills, or languages, the demand for online tutoring services continues to grow exponentially. Online tutoring platforms such as Tutor.com, Chegg Tutors, and VIP Kid connect tutors with students from around the world seeking personalized learning experiences. With flexible scheduling and the ability to work from home, online tutoring offers a rewarding way to make a substantial income while helping others achieve their academic goals. To succeed as an online tutor, it's crucial to identify your areas of expertise, tailor your teaching approach to individual student needs, and maintain a positive and engaging learning environment. Additionally, investing in professional development, staying updated on educational trends, and leveraging technology to enhance the learning experience can help you stand out in a competitive market.